Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone? Oh no, I cannot see.
Hello.
Oh, okay, I can hear you now. Hello. Hello there. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Teacher, hello teacher. My name is Tai An. Hello.
Good
Hello.
evening. Nice to meet
What job
you.
are you doing?
Nice to meet you. Where is Jang?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, good
Hello.
evening. Who is that?
I'm Kitty.
Is is it your cousin, Jang? Oh, there are two Jangs.
Oh, hey.
Hello, good evening. Hello, nice to meet you, everyone. So I'm teacher.
Hello. Hello
Hello.
teacher.
Hello, good evening. Nice to meet you. My name is teacher Iris. Wow. Who are those, Jang? Are those your cousins? Are they your cousins? Super hello. Super hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Đây cái gì đây bác? Gót.
Are those your cousins?
Told you. I don't eat the food.
Are those your cousins? Or oh yes, wow, nice to meet you to your cousins. Okay. So now Jang, how are you for today? How are you today?
My name is Chung 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 Sahur. My
Tung tung tung
name.
tung sahur.
My
Oh
name
no. What is how are you today, Jang? Are you happy today?
is.
How are you? Are you happy?
Teacher, I see a tree. I see a tree.
You see a tree. Very good. There is a tree. Very good.
Yeah.
Teacher? Yes. Ha- oh no.
I like seven. Six, seven.
Okay. So, how are you today? How are you today, Jang? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat for dinner? What did you eat for dinner today? Did you eat rice and meat? Did you eat
Teacher,
rice and fish?
teacher, I see
Yes.
a man dog.
What?
I see a man dog.
I see ya.
Man dog.
What is that? Oh, hello. I think this is Nam. Hello, Nam. Is this Nam? Hello, Thao. Oh, oh, it is it Nam? Oh no, it's not Nam. Where is Nam? Okay, let me just first message Nam for me to confirm if he will be attending the
Teacher,
class. Yes.
I am the jam hacker.
Oh,
Jam hacker.
who is that? Is
It's Nam. Nam.
oh, it's Nam?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why? Can you open your camera, Nam? Are you there? Jangmin Hawker. Nam, if you are there, can you open your camera? Oh no. Nam, nam, nam. Let me just screenshot. Is this Nam? Okay. So now, oh, who is that? I am Hacker. Who is that? Okay. So now
Amanda.
he is.
Amanda.
How do you spell that? Can you spell that? Spell, spell, spell.
Tita.
Yes.
Very good.
It's
Very good. Super
very
very good.
super super very good. Okay, so now Nam and Jang, if this is Nam, are you both ready to learn our new lesson for today? Are you both ready? Are you ready? Yes or no? Are you ready? Hello, hello. Is it Nam? Nam, can you open your camera? Nam, Nam, Nam. Can you open your camera? Is this Nam? Is this really Nam? I will remove you if you will not open your camera, Nam or
Okay.
Jangmin Hacker. If you not open your camera, I will remove you because you are not part of the class. Oh, okay. It's Nam. Okay, Nam, why is your name like that? Okay, very good job. Why is your name like that?
Tita.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, now 1, 2.
What did what do you see? Snail. You're so good at drawing. Okay, how are you today, Nam? Oh, what are you doing? How are you today, Nam? Did you already eat your dinner also? Did you also did you also already eat did you already eat your dinner for this evening? Yes or no?
Yes.
What did you eat for dinner?
Eat
I
um
what did you eat? I eat.
I eating
What did you eat? I eat. What did you eat? Did you eat rice for dinner? Did you eat fish? Oh, what did you eat? Did you eat
I
vegetables?
eat rice and mm, I eat rice, meat, vegetable, and drink coca.
Wow, drink Coca-Cola? Oh, wow, that's also my favorite. Is it your favorite drink, Nam? Coca-Cola? That's my favorite drink. That's very delicious. But it's bad if you drink a lot. That's why you must drink water.
The bed.
Okay.
Oh, Tita,
Yes.
actually, actually, don't have a picture.
Yes. I think it's his parents' picture. It's his mother and it is mom and dad's picture. Okay, so now let's proceed to our new lesson for today, Jang and Nam. So can you both read what is our lesson for today? What
The
is it? Okay, wow, that's very long. The school. Okay, very good. So it's the school. So Nam and Jang or Jang and Nam. Do you like to go to school or do you like going to school?
yes,
Oh, yes. What are the things that you do at school?
um, learn.
Learn. Very good. We learn. Hmm? What do you do at school, Jang?
I learn and play.
I learn and play. We learn and
English,
play.
English,
English? You learn
yes,
English at school?
yes.
Wow. How about math? Do you know mathematics?
What?
Do you know math? Mathematics.
Yes, Yes.
Okay, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? Equals 8. Very good. So we will just add 4 and 4. So it is equals to 8.
Tita, I
Yes.
know 19 times 5
What is 19 times 5?
is 95.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. It's 95. How about what is 100 times 0? 100 times 0.
Multiple of 10.
Huh?
I
What?
learned multiple of 10.
Ah, multiple of 10. Wow. Can you tell teacher what is the multiplication when it comes to 10? 10?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Wow, very good. Good job. So that is multiple of 10. But how about what is 100 times 0?
It's zero.
Okay, very good. So all of the things that we multiply to
Did
0,
you know
yes?
you go in chat?
Oh, yes, I can. Do you know iSmart? What is iSmart? What is it?
You don't know you
No, I don't know iSmart. What is that?
it's
Is
English. It's
how it's
English.
Oh, it's English? Is it a game?
No.
No, what is that? Oh, I only heard that at this day. I don't know that. Wow. What do you do at iSmart?
I
Is
I
it like,
play and have a diamond.
oh wow. Is it also like about school?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's very good because I can see here it is I can see anything. iSmart app. Oh. Okay, wow, that's very good. So, okay, so that's it. So this is about the school. So we learn, we play, and we learn a lot of things at school. Wow, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 105. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure about that? Uh,
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Let's check. 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yes, it's 105.
No.
Very good. Okay, so now let's learn more about the school. So, do you want so let's proceed to watch some video. Oh,
Yes.
I think this is school.
It's a Dang no I smart.
Huh? I don't know if he knows iSmart. Okay, so
You can type in Google.
I cannot see it in Google. So it pertains to electric vehicle. So it is a different application that
It's
is
fun.
the different application that is being shown to me in the Google. Okay. So that one. So let's start. Let's start our lesson for today. So let's take a look at this picture. This one. So where are the children in this picture?
The children in the school.
Very good. So the children are in the school. So very good. So good sentence. So but for that you must not forget about the are. Okay, so the children are in the school. So instead of saying the children in the school, we say the children are in the school. So very good, nice. So this is what we call school. This is where we learn. Next, how about this one? Where are these children?
The children is in a class.
Yes, in a class. What kind of class? Is it
Painting.
painting class? Very good, painting. And what do we call painting?
Drawing.
Yes, what do we call the subject that has painting? So we call
Drawing.
this, yes, it's drawing. Very good. So we call this class art room. Okay, very good. So art room. So next, how about this one? What is the place that we eat
What?
at school? What is the name of the place where we eat at school? So we call this place lunch room. This one, lunch room.
Let's go.
Okay, very good. So next, how about this one? What do we call this place where we play?
Playroom.
Playroom, or what we call as?
Playground.
Okay, very good. This is the playground at school. So next, how about this one? What do we call the room where we learn?
Classroom.
Classroom. Perfect. This is the classroom. Oops. Classroom. Double S. Next. Oh, how about, oh, actually, this one is, okay, so let's switch. This one is the playground. This one. This picture is the playground. However,
In the picture,
this one is what we call gym. Gym.
G.
Yes, so we will talk
This.
like this. Yes, yes, very good. So we also have that kind of activities at school. And next, how about this one? What kind of room is this? We have instruments. We have what?
Um. Um. Music.
Uh,
Music room.
very good. It is the music
Room.
room. And the last one will be, what do we call the place where there are
Library. Library.
very,
Library.
very good.
Did you
Nice.
play piano?
I don't know how to play piano. How about
I
you?
know.
Oh, wow. Can you try to play a piano next time?
Yes.
Can you show it to teacher how you play the piano?
Teacher,
Yes.
in,
Yes. Yeah.
in the school, teacher has chicken.
What?
Chicken.
Chicken?
In a school, my school.
Oh, your school? What is about
Yes.
your school? Your school has?
This ha- and chicken.
Chicken? Oh, there is a chicken at your school?
Yes.
In your school? Oh, that's is it the food? Chicken food or a, a live chicken?
Chicken food.
Oh, chicken food. Wow. So the food at your school are very delicious.
Food has cheesy.
Oh, cheesy?
Yes.
Wow. Do you also eat vegetables in your school?
No.
Oh no, why not? You must eat vegetables.
Teacher. Because I don't in Vietnam.
What? What? What did you
I
say?
don't live in Vietnam.
You don't live in Vietnam?
Yes.
Where do you live?
I live in China.
Oh, really? Really? China is your hometown?
Yes. I
Mm,
live in Russia
no,
and China.
you're not telling the truth.
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm in Vietnam is spider.
spider? Vietnam
Yes.
spider? There is a lot
And
of spider in Vietnam.
yes.
Okay, so now let's talk about more of these rooms that we can see at school. So let's proceed to our next slide. Okay, again, Nam and Jang, what do we call this place?
The classroom.
Classroom, very good. This is the classroom. And when we say classroom, Nam and Jang, this is where we study and learn with teacher. Okay, so this is where we study and learn with teacher. So now, what what do you usually do? What do
Teacher,
you usually? Yes,
my baby girl has two teachers.
two teacher. Oh, this one in the classroom or in the picture?
If
Yes. Oh, in your school there is two teacher?
but my my cousin is three.
Three?
Three.
Three teacher?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot.
We have
What
100 teachers.
100 teachers? It's
No, 1 trillion.
1 trillion. Are you telling the truth?
No.
You're- Are you telling the truth? Truth?
Can
Uh,
teacher, I want to
yes.
chat.
Oh, later. Later we will chat. Listen
Please,
first.
one.
Okay, what you will chat?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Chat now, chat now. And I'll turn off it. I'll turn it off it again. Go, chat. What is it? What is it? Where? Where is it? Faster, faster. Where is it?
Teacher, can you spell teachers? Oh, I know.
Huh? What did you say?
No. Teacher,
Yes.
can spell teacher?
Huh? What did you say? Can I have the? In my class has question teacher?
No, it's a number.
Oh, I see a question marks in my
Because it's
class. Where?
it's because it's many.
Many. Oh, okay, I see. So you have many teachers in your class? Gugu gaga. Okay, I will turn off the chat now, okay? So that you will be able to listen. Okay, so thanks for sharing about your teachers. Do you like your teachers at school, Nam and Jack?
Yeah.
Yes, that's very good that you like or you like your teacher at school. How about in the classroom, Nam and Jang? What
Oh,
do
I
you
really like.
I really like? Yes. And what do you usually do in your classroom?
The
What do you do in your classroom? Do you play in the classroom? Do you listen to teacher? What do you do in your
I watch
classroom?
TV.
Oh, you
To
watch
learn.
TV. I watch television in the classroom. Really?
And play.
Oh, you play. I watch and
Learn.
play.
Learn.
What learn?
Learn.
I'll learn. I watch, play. Okay, I watch television play, and learn in the classroom. Very good. So that's nice. How about Jang? Jang is not speaking. Oh no. What do you usually Jang, what do you usually do in your classroom at school?
This.
Yes. What do you do? Do you play with teacher at your classroom? Do you play with your classmates?
I, I, I.
I?
It's
I?
it's your mom.
Huh? Where is my mom?
Yeah.
Oh, my mom is downstairs.
Teacher.
Here, my mom is
Does she have
downstairs.
brother? Teacher. I can
Yes.
see. Does she have brother?
Yes, I have, but my brother is not living with us.
Why?
Because he is working already. That is why.
You, your brother is go to school?
No, my brother is not going to school or does not goes to school. He is already or working. He has a job. Yes, my brother works at the supermarket. Yes, that is my brother's job, and that's why he is not living with
Are
us.
you dreaming? Teacher.
What?
Teacher, Are you dreaming? What
Are you
baby?
dreaming? No,
One.
I'm not dreaming. That's reality. What did you say? Huh?
Teacher.
Yes, yes, Jang.
My, my, my,
Huh?
my grandma is 6 7 old.
My grammar is
6 7 old.
6 years old.
Yes.
Your grammar is 6 years old.
No. Some say your grandma is 6 7 years old.
Oh, no, my grandma is older. I think my grandma is already 80 years old. Yeah, 80. My grandma is
My
already
grandma is
80.
6 7 years old.
Are you sure? Is that
Yes.
the truth?
Yes. I saw.
Okay, so now, so again, so Nam and
Teacher.
Jang. Yes, 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 yes.
Our
What?
teacher 6 years old.
Uh, me? I'm 6 years
Yes.
old? No, I'm already 23 years old.
Teacher.
Yes, 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 yes.
Teacher is 0 years old.
Serious, 0 years old?
Yes.
Yes, I'm a baby. I'm still a baby. Okay, so now this is again Nam and Jang. This is the classroom. And next, let's go to our next room that we can see in the or at the school. What kind of room is this? Okay, very good. Let's one more time. Let's say music, not music. It's music. Let's say music room. This is the music room. Okay. So Namanjang, when we say music room, it is the room in our classroom where we sing, we play instruments, and we learn music. Okay.
I don't learn. I play piano.
Wow, that's very good. You know how to play piano. Next time or in our next class, can you show teacher how you
No,
play
I can't.
piano? Oh, you
I
can?
can't play piano later, but I don't need in my house.
Oh, is it in your school? You play piano at school?
At school in my house.
Oh, okay. So it's okay. But that's very nice that you know how to play piano because When I was a child, I also want to play piano, but piano is very expensive. That's why we cannot buy piano. And we don't have a piano at school. So you're very much lucky because there
The
is.
piano 1 year.
Hmm?
I
There is?
play piano 1 year.
You will play piano 1 year after?
No,
What is it?
in 2025.
In 2025. Oh, you are playing piano for already 1 year? Wow, that's really long. So are you good at playing piano? Are you
No.
good? I know. Oh, it's okay. You can still learn because you are still young. Who knows? You will become a pianist in the future or the very, very good or awesome pianist. Okay, so again,
What pianist?
pianists, those are people who plays piano. Yes, that we call them pianists, like this. Pianist. So these are the people who plays piano, or these are the people who are good at playing piano. So now, Jang and Nam, is there a music room at your school? Is there a music room
Yeah.
at your school? Yes. What
125 minutes.
oh, 25 minutes? How about Jang? Jang, is there a music
No,
room?
30.
30. How about Jang? Is there a music room at your school, Jang?
No, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have. Okay. But okay. Okay, so this is the music room. So most schools
But
have this.
I learn piano 60 minutes.
15 minutes? Wow. What songs do you
No,
play? In
60 minutes.
60 minutes? That's very long. What song? What song do you play in the piano?
I can speak English.
Oh, you can speak English, but what song? What song do you play in the piano? Do you play lullabies?
No,
What do you play? Do you play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little
no,
Star?
it's no, no, no.
No, by now.
I can play for mom.
Oh, for mom. Wow, that's very
You go,
nice.
you go in Google. You chat um piano for mom. You know.
Oh, okay, let me check. Piano for mom. Okay. Oh, oh, is it
Teacher, can I see?
a mother's love? Is it a mother's love?
Teacher, can I see?
I cannot
Teacher,
see anything. Yeah, okay.
can I
Okay,
see?
I cannot see. Charis. Okay, let me share this.
Down, down, down,
What is it?
down.
I think there's nothing.
Teacher, this, up, this.
This one?
No, I don't know.
This one?
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know. We cannot open that.
Because
Because
I can speak English.
oh, it's okay. So next time, if you can show it to
You go,
teacher.
this mom.
This mom? Oh, late. Next time, we will try to check it if ever that you have your own piano. So make sure to play to teacher, okay? Okay, so now let's move on to our the next thing or the next room that we can see in the school. So what is this? What do we call this room?
Art room.
Okay, very good. So this is the art room. And can you describe what are the children doing in this room? Jang and Nam, what are the children doing in this room? What are they doing? Are they playing? What are the children doing?
Yes.
Are they are they
Children
the children
drawing.
are drawing? Very good. Or painting. We can say drawing or painting. Very good. So in this picture, the children are drawing or painting. So that means in the art room, children, or this is the place where we draw and we draw, paint, and make crafts. So if you are the student that likes, if you, there's a- so so if you So if you are the kind of student that likes to draw, that likes to paint, and likes to make crafts, so this room is for you. So this is the art room. And do you have an art room at your school, Nam and Jang? Do
Yes.
you have? Yes, okay. And what are the things that you draw in the art room? What are the things?
And draw. And draw.
I'm draw. What do you draw? I draw, not I'm. You can.
Sigma.
What do you draw?
Sigma.
What is that? What is that? What's that? What do you draw? I draw
Sigma.
pink pink bat.
Sigma.
What is that in English? Teacher cannot understand. Can you spell? Can you spell that one? What is
S I
K
I. Do you know the song Diary for Mom?
for mom?
Yeah.
What song? For mom.
Diary for Mom.
How do you spell that? Can you type it in the chat? Can you type it? Okay, what is the thing that you draw, Jang? Can you also type it in the chat box? Because teacher cannot understand. What is it? Oh, Diary for Mom. Oh, I don't know that song. I don't know. It's Diary for Mom. Oh, I think it's Vietnam. It's a Vietnam song.
Yes. Teacher.
Vietnam song. Yeah. Yes.
Teacher has
Teacher has
what cup cup.
worker.
Teacher live in the Brazil.
I don't live in Brazil. I live in the Philippines. Philippines.
Live
Philippines, not
in a
Puerto
Ronaldo.
Puerto Rico, Portugal.
No.
Fifth floor. Okay. Yes.
Did you know that song?
I don't know. I don't know the Diary for Mom. I think it's a Vietnam song. That's why teacher don't know the song.
You that Diary for Mom song English. Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yes.
teacher live in the Philippines.
Yes, I live in the Philippines.
Teacher,
Why?
can you type in Google?
Google? After we finish our lesson. Because we are in the art room right now. We are finished in music room. So I will show it to you later before we end our lesson.
And
We only have 19 minutes. Okay. So let's go to our next room. Okay. What room is this?
room.
Okay. It's the lunch room. Very good. So when we, yes.
And today we will play bamboo.
Uh, we we are we will play bamboozle next Thursday because I think we need to finish this first. Okay.
We need to listen the song.
Okay, yes, we will listen to the song before we end out to with our lesson. Okay? Okay, so now this
The
is the
lunchroom
lunchroom. It is, can you read this one?
where we eat lunch with friends.
Okay, very good. So when it is our recess or what we call break or lunch break. So this is where we eat. We usually eat rice, we usually eat sandwiches or anything that we can eat.
Not in my school.
What?
Sandwich is not in my school.
Oh, you don't have a lunchroom in your school?
No sandwich.
Oh, sandwich? Oh, you don't have a sandwich? I think sandwich is mostly popular only in United States, especially for their breakfast. They only eat sandwiches. And it in my school also before we don't have sandwiches. We only have rice and fish, rice and meat. So that are the things or those are the things that we eat in the lunchroom. Okay. So how about you, Jang and Nam? What food do you eat in the lunchroom?
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know? You don't know what you eat in the lunchroom? Uh, really? How about Nam? What do you eat in the lunchroom? Okay, wait. Let me just wait. What do you eat in lunchroom? Hello, are you still there? Hello, what do you eat in the lunchroom?
I eat spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti. Spaghetti and chicken? Do you also eat chicken? That is my favorite food in the lunchroom, chicken. Okay, that's very good. So again, this is where we eat lunch with our friends or with our classmates. So next, let's move on to our next room. Okay, what is the room where we read books? Nam and Jang.
The library.
Very good. This is the library. So the library is, what do we do at the library?
We reading book.
Okay, we read books or we study. We can also study. We,
Teacher, next time we will listen the song. In the Bible.
we will listen before we end our lesson. What did you say, Jang?
Teacher, next time. Bible. Bible.
Huh?
Teacher,
Yes.
next time.
Next time we will listen before we end our lesson because I think we are close to finishing.
Teacher,
Yes. What is it?
15, 15 minutes left.
Yeah, 15 minutes left. It we can still listen to the song. Okay, so again, this is the library. Do you have a library at your school?
Yes.
Yes. Do you read books in the library?
What?
Do you read books in the library?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of books do you read? What happened to Jang? Jang stopped. His face, his face is like that. What kind of books do you read at the library? Do you read stories?
Matthew. Matthew. History Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam stories. Wow. How about Chang? What books do you read or did you read in the library? What books? I read. Do you read stories? Do you read Doraemon? What what kind of things? No, you don't read in the library, Jang?
I can. In the
Ah,
chat.
in the
In the
chat.
chat.
Where? Where is it?
Bum.
Where? Where is it? Where? I cannot see. Where? Where? Oh, what kind of book is that? Matngu. How do you say that? Matngu. Oh, is that a story?
Yes.
Okay, but I don't know that. But I think it's a very interesting story. Okay, so next, again, this is the library. This is where we read books and study quietly. So next, what room is this? At school, we call
Again.
it, very good. We call it the gym. Okay, can you read what are the things that we can do at the gym?
Teacher, only 12 minutes.
Yes, only 12 minutes. We can still do it. Okay. Again, can you please read, Nam and Jang, what can we do at the gym? This
Yes.
is,
6, 7.
this is, what do we do at the gym?
We will play sport and
Where we
exercise.
play? Very good. One more time, let's read this word. Let's say
Sport.
sports. Okay, sports. Okay, very good. So this is where we play sports and exercise. So, do you have a gym at your school, Namanjang? Do you have a gym at school? Yes or no? Do you have a gym? Hello? Do you have a gym at school?
No. No.
Ah, no. Oh. Okay, so this is where we play sports and exercise. So if you love football, if you love basketball, if you love volleyball, so all of those things, all of those sports,
I love basketball.
wow, you love basketball.
I like
So
football.
football, yes. So this is the sports that we can play at the gym. Okay? So next, how about this one? What is
The,
this
the
place?
playground. Playground.
Very good. This is the playground. So when we say playground, what can we do at the playground?
Can
Okay,
I play football? I don't win.
very good. So this is where we can play football. We can play outside with our classmates and friends. Okay.
Teacher, I
Aside,
don't win.
you don't win? Huh?
Đây ba người.
What did you say? You don't win?
Yes, you go in chat.
1-5. What is that?
It's the store.
Score? A store. Score. One more time. Let's say score.
Score.
Oh, is it your score in football?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. With more practice, you can be very, very good at playing football.
These are only 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes, yes. So if you want to be like Ronaldo, you can do more practice and you will be
Teacher,
good
faster.
at football.
I want to listen the song.
Later, wait, we will finish first. So next, the last one, what is this
Let's
place?
go.
Very good. The school. So so what is the school? So can you read this one? What is school or the school?
Run school.
The, s-
No.
the school is the whole place with classrooms, teachers, and students. So this is the school is where we learn. Okay? Do you learn at your school, Namenjang?
Yes. No.
Yes. Okay. No? What do you like? What do you like most about your school?
Poop.
What do you like? What are the things that you like at your school?
Um.
Do you like your classmates? Do you like your friends? Do you like your teachers?
I
What are
I like I I like poop.
you like poop?
Yes. I like a toilet.
Okay, so that is the school. So this is where we can learn things and we can meet a lot of people, especially our classmates. Okay.
Teacher, we
Um,
finished.
yes. Okay, so for this one, so make sure to review the things that we learn about school because in our next class next Thursday, we will we will have an
Bamboo.
activity and we will also play bamboozle, okay?
Teacher,
Okay, so now
we we listen
let's
the song.
yeah, let's check the song. But we will not finish the song, okay? We will just listen.
It's 8 minutes.
Is it this?
Where? Yes.
Is it this? Oh,
Yes.
oh,
I can play this song.
oh wow, that's so nice.
How many days I've been
This one?
waiting for your
Yeah.
Oh,
coming
it's
to
English.
this world. Cursed inside me, was there a laughter of an infant
Do
forming
you play
up?
this to your mom?
Slowly I
Yes.
wake up, then I
Wow, that's a
see
nice
your
song.
tiny form like an angel's.
Teacher,
Fingers into
Yes,
yours,
teacher,
eyes
and
are red.
yes.
for and 6 minutes only.
6 minutes, yes. We are finished with our lesson.
You know
And we will
that
play again
I
next Thursday,
love
okay?
you so much. Looking
Oh, is this the only thing that you can play
Yes.
in a piano? Oh, well, that's a very good song. That's so nice because when I was a child, I also want to learn how to play piano, but there is no music room in our uh, school. That is why. Okay, actually, I do play an instrument. Do you know ukulele?
My friend in listen.
Do you know this
Oh,
one? Ukulele?
yes.
Yes, I have a ukulele, but I cannot
Teacher, can
find
you
it here.
play?
Yes, I can play ukulele, but I will first find where is my ukulele because I cleaned my room and I cannot find. I will play next time. Okay? Okay, so for this one, I want you to review the things that we had learned today, especially about the school. But first, let's answer. Let's answer since we still have 5 minutes. Let's answer this activity. So can you please read all
Yay. Yay.
can you please
Teacher,
Yes,
My pencil.
pencil. Wait, please. Oh, wow. Can you please read? Can you please first read? What are the words here?
Lunchroom.
Lunchroom,
School.
school.
Classroom. Library. Gym. Music room. Art room. Playground.
Okay, very good. So now, can you answer? Can you match all of the pictures? I think your pen is, you can now use your pen. So can you please match the pictures or the name of the rooms? And after that, I will check. Okay, faster. We only have 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Faster. Okay, tell teacher if you're finished, okay? Finish, finish. Why is your line like that?
Teacher, I finished.
Wow, very fast. Good job. How about Jang? Oh no, why did you delete yours?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Let's look at this first picture. What room is this?
Art room.
Very good. So Nam is correct. 1 point for Nam. Number two. What
It's a
room is
music room.
music room? Very good. Next.
It's
What
a
room?
library.
Library.
It's a school.
Cool.
The game.
Okay, one more time. Let's say gym, not gym. Gym.
Gym.
Okay, very good. Next.
Lunchroom.
Very good. Lunchroom.
Playground.
What is this?
Class.
Class what? Class.
Classroom.
Okay, and the last one is
Playground.
playground. Okay, very good. So those are the things, or those are the
Goodbye, teacher.
rooms. Goodbye. We still have 2 minutes. So those are the rooms that
Goodbye,
we
teacher.
can see at our school. Okay? So now, you both did a great job, Nam and Jang. But for this one, I want you to practice these words. This. So practice reading this word very, not velly or velly. Velly, velly. Let's say very, not the L sound, but R sound. So music, let's say music, not music.
Music.
Okay, very good. For sports, do not forget the S sound. Sports, not sport. Score, not store. And gym, not gym. Okay, so make sure to practice these things. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, we,
Teacher.
we only have 30
What?
seconds. 30 seconds left. Excuse me.
30 seconds.
Okay. So thank you very much for your time today, Nam and Ja. So I always appreciate your presence because you don't you always attend our class. So teacher appreciates you well, and you both are smart and bright for teacher. So thank you, and see you again on Thursday. Nam and Ja.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, Nam.